Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max. You need to find the engine computer relay, guys, the ECU relay. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Also, we have a video about the engine computer fuse as well on our channel. If you need help with that, check it out, guys. So we'll be demonstrating on a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 all the way to year 2019. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Your Ford C-Max, guys, has 3 different fuse boxes. If you want to check out the exact location, we have a video about where are the fuses located on Ford C-Max and the relays. One is under the hood, one in the passenger side, behind the glove box, one in the trunk. Luckily for us today, we need to work under the hood because that's the easiest one to get to. When you open the hood, even if you have a hybrid or non-hybrid, the fuse box will be located behind the headlight right here. That's the cover. Usually it will look like that. Let me show you. The cover will be installed right here. So we have to do on the back side, press, pull on the tab and gently pull it out. It's a little bit of a tight fit, as you can see, but it comes out. This is the fuse box, guys. Okay, right there. And the fuse box now, guys, okay. A good thing about it is when you remove the cover, you have the fuse numbers, and the layout here corresponds to what we have there when you hold it that way. Good news, you have the numbers. Bad news, you don't know what those relays and fuses are for. That's where we come to help you guys. So if you we'll really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, like the video, so we can keep making these free videos. Now, right here, if you look, we need to come on the very bottom right side and we need to find relay number 14. This is the relay right here, guys. That relay is the one, okay, that we need to actually check for the engine computer. If you need to see how to test a relay, we have a special video that will explain that. We will put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Also, we'll share a link where you can buy one from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.